Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Udah. Hello everyone. Let me introduce this group. We are from group 1, which one consists of me, Bawijati Ningsih, and my team is Susilawati, Anissa Sevi Malinta, Wita Sari, Nur Fitriani, and Satria Prabawa. And the material is I am nurse and present progressive tense. Next. Okay, the material. We're going into the material first about daily conversation. Please, Mr. Susilawati and Anissa Sevi Malinta.
Okay. Amira is Janet's old friend. They have not met for several years. Once upon a time, they met each other. Look at the following conversation between Amira and Janet. Hi, Janet.
Hi, Amir.
Hi, Janet. Oh my God, it has been a long time we don't meet. How are you?
Hi, Amira. Glad to meet you. I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm fine too. I find too. We haven't to meet for years, and now you look different.
You're right. We haven't met since we graduated from senior high school.
Do you work in this hospital, Janet?
That sounds great. You must be very busy with your duty.
You're right. I must take care of patients. Make sure her health, help doctors in curing patients, and many more.
More. Do you enjoy your job?
Nice to hear that.
Anyway, have you worked?
Yes, I am accountant of a private company in this city.
That's cool. You really keen on accounting when we were in senior high school.
Thank you, Janet.
Anyway, I cannot be any longer. I must be back to nurse station.
Sure. Good luck with your job, Janet.
Thanks, you too, Amira.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Susilawati and Anissa Sevi Malinta. Next, the following, the material next is about the following are duties of a nurse and Mia's reading. 1. Perform physical exam and health histories. 2. Provide health promotion, counseling, and education. 3. Administer medication, wound care, and numerous other personalized interventions. 3. Interpret patient information and make critical decisions about needed actions. 5. Coordinate care in collaboration with a wide array of healthcare professionals. 6. Conduct research in support of improved practice and patient outcomes. 7. Assess, observe, and record the patient's behavior and the need for restraint. 8. Grant written order and consent as hospital police. 9. Communicate with patient and the family. 10. Coordinate with physicians and other healthcare professionals for creating and evaluating customized care plans. 11. Carry out the requisite treatment and medications. 12. check the stock on a regular basis for maintaining the inventory level and placing orders if required. 330 change patient medication as indicated by their conditions and responses. 14 adhere with the protocols, norms, rules, and regulation in order in maintain complete medical records. 15 maintain hygienic and safe working environment in a compliance with the healthcare procedure. And next, the material about next Mr. Satria. The material about the ward units in hospital. Please, Mr. Kak Witasari, Mr. Witasari. Mrs. Witasari. Maaf. Miss Witasari. And you?
Yes. Dengeran nggak ya? Ya, kedengeran nggak ya teman?
No,
Ya,
I can't.
kedengeran.
Baru kedengeran.
Ya, kedengeran.
Ya. A nurse practitioner is a type of advanced practice registration. Registration nurse. If you are planning to become a nurse practitioner, know that you are racing toward one of the highest position in the nursing field. It expresses and dedication to become a nurse of this sort. Like other nurse practitioners work to help accommodate and care for patients in healthcare setting. However, most of the time, nurse practitioners have much more responsibility than other type of nurse. In fact, there are often a chain of supervising nurse professionals such as registration nurses and licensed practical nurse. They are also able to actively practice more in their patient due to their inherent critical knowledge and patient care technique. Nurse practitioner can also specialize in certain areas, much like physician, family nurse practitioner. For instance, deal with the general mental and physical health of patient. In contrast, pediatric nurse practitioner deal primarily with children, while geriatric nurse practitioner deal primarily with elderly patients. Other areas that nurse practitioner like specialists in include obstetrics, gynecology, neurology, and anesthesiology. Thank you. Praktisi perawat adalah jenis perawat terdaftar praktik lanjut. Jika Anda berencana untuk menjadi seorang praktisi perawat, ketahuilah bahwa Anda telah mencapai salah satu posisi tertinggi di bidang keperawatan. Di situ dibutuhkan banyak waktu pendidikan, pengalaman, dan dedikasi. Untuk menjadi perawat semacam ini, seperti perawat lain, praktisi perawat bekerja membantu, mengakomodasi, dan merawat pasien dalam pengaturan perawatan kesehatan. Namun, sebagian besar waktu ini, praktisi perawat memiliki tanggung jawab yang jauh lebih besar daripada jenis perawat lainnya. Bahkan, mereka sering bertanggung jawab untuk mengawasi profesional keperawatan, seperti terdaftar dan praktik berlisensi. Juga dapat lebih aktif berpartisipasi dalam perawatan pasien mereka, karena peningkatan pengetahuan klinis dan teknik perawat pasien mereka. Praktisi perawat juga dapat berspesialisasi dalam bidang tertentu, seperti halnya dokter. Praktisi perawat keluarga, misalnya menangani kesehatan mental dan fisik pasien secara umum. Sebaiknya praktisi perawat anak terutama menangani anak-anak. Praktisi perawat geriatri terutama menangani pasien usia lanjut dan daerah lainnya. Praktisi perawat yang mungkin berspesialisasi dalam mencakup kebidanan ginekologi, neurologi, dan anestesiologi. Ya, lanjut Pak Sipen.
Sorry wrong for reading material. The material unit is The material unit in hospital reading Miss Fitriani. Please Miss Fitriani.
Suara saya terdengar nggak ya?
Mr. Satria is back.
Dengar, Pak.
Yes, I hear you.
Sebelum nah ini masih.
The next is about word power units in hospitals. In the hospitals, there are a lot of units, but we will give some example. There is ambulatory unit, it means unit rawat jalan, anestesi unit anestesi, accident and emergency, kecelakaan dan emergency, breast screening, unit screening payudara, cardiac medical surgical, ruang perawatan penyakit jantung, admission department, bagian tempat pendaftaran pasien, and you can find a lot of units in the book, page 4, for the complete units in the hospital. Thank you. Next.
Okay, thank you, Miss Fitriani. And the last material about present progressive tense, and please, Mr. Satria.
Okay, let me try present progressive tense. Present progressive tense mean the form of the verb used to express an action that is taking place now, present, or planned in the future. Kalau dalam bahasa Indonesianya bisa diartikan present progressive tense itu adalah bentuk kata kerja yang digunakan untuk menyatakan aksi yang sedang berlangsung sekarang atau rencana di masa depan. Itu penjelasan singkatnya. Kemudian di sini ada dua bentuk. Yang pertama positive sentence. The rumusnya subject, to be, present participle. For example, the ships are sailing. Second, he is smiling. Second, negative sentence. Negative sentence is there is a change in the sentence structure if you want to be made into an interactive sentence or a question sentence. Rumusnya be, am, is, are plus subject plus present participant, verb ing. The example, are the ship sailing? Second, is he smiling? Okay, next, when you can use this sentence. Pertama, the garis besar struktur dari present progressive tense, subject, to be, verb ing. Pertama, if you want to state an activity or action that is being carried out at the present time. For example, I'm eating, I'm thirsty, she's sleeping, these are going to library. Second, declared activity in the long term. Long-term activity include routine activity that are taking place in the near future. This week, this month, this year. For example, I go to school every day. Second, my mother always buy a flower every week. Yang ketiga, kapan kamu bisa menggunakan use this tense? If you want to complain because you are feeling annoying when you tell your friend, you can use this tense. Can also be used circumstances that are happening or often occur. For example, you are always coming late. The students are always complaining about everything. And the last, if you want to tell me your exact line, usually the format or pattern used is the interesting of be plus going to in the sentence. For example, I'm going to New York next month. She's going to hospital tonight. Oke. Yang perlu diingat, present continuous tense can also be used for the future. We use it for things that we have made definite arrangement to do. For example, I'm having dinner with my friend tonight. I'm playing football with my team this weekend. Okay. Other example for present progressive tense. She is brushing the bedroom. I'm driving a car to Bandung now. He is learning English in order to be graduate. I'm living with my sister in a moment. I'm spend my holiday on Kuta Beach next month.